Huh? Yeah, I want to do this video showing everybody. We're in Mexico right now. We just stopped on the side of the road. All these orange trees over here, man. Come on. Show you what's up. Funny how people say they're hungry. You know what I'm saying? It's impossible to be hungry. You got food all over the place, man. Look at this. Got a piece of food, sir? Get it. I'm not ready, bro. Huh? Yeah, I want to do this video showing everybody. We're in Mexico right now. We just stopped on the side of the road. All these orange trees over here.
Americans are being kidnapped in San Diego and taken to Mexico. And the government says that some tourists are in danger traveling south of the border. KCAL 9's Chris Lawrence has details.
Men and women are being snatched from homes in Mexico's border towns.
Are these victims all people living in Mexico?
No, some are U.S. citizens who live here.
The FBI says last year, the number of San Diego County residents kidnapped and held for ransom in Mexico more than doubled.
The brutality that is inflicted on some of these people is unconscionable.
They sliced my tongue.
This San Diego man told us kidnappers beat him with the butt of a rifle, tortured him for 2 weeks.
Yeah, he had bruises all over his body. He had his tongue cut.
We'll call him Joe to protect his identity. His daughter described the first ransom call from her dad's kidnappers.
He said, you better cooperate or else, you're gonna find him dead. Or we're just gonna, throw his face or his head. We're gonna drop it right there by your door.
That they set out called countries. We don't want to hear. We're not going for none of that. We're staying in this. Funny how people say they're hungry. You know what I'm saying? It's impossible to be hungry. You got food all over the place. Look at this. Got a piece of food, sir? We're human beings. We belong in the sun. I belong in the tropics. I'm a tropic. Ready. Not stopping on the earth. My human right is to be in tune with nature. And I belong to the earth. I don't belong to a corporation. I don't belong to Costa Rica. I don't know what you're talking about when you talk about America. You don't want it, man? I belong. It's not ready. The taste is not ready either. You gotta get it while it's seeds. See that? Seeds in it. They're not ready yet, though.
The FBI says since Thanksgiving, at least 18 U.S. residents have been held for ransom near Tijuana. And that's not the worst of it.
We've had a number of cases recently where the abductors have come north of the border into the United States, and they've kidnapped Americans in this country and then brought them back south.
That's right. Americans abducted from these San Diego suburbs.
They have, in my mind, taken it to another level by doing that.
Joe was visiting Tijuana when 15 to 20 men busted into a home there. They were dressed like these federal officers with black masks and automatic rifles. Joe's family paid the kidnappers, but they didn't let him go.
We didn't know at that point if they had already killed them or if they were gonna ask for another ransom.
So they wanted more money?
Yeah, they wanted more money.
Joe was released when the family paid. The FBI says kidnappers target victims they think can afford a ransom. People driving expensive cars, shopping at nice stores, or doing business in Mexico. Chris Lawrence, San Diego.
Peace Reflection. I just wanted to let everyone know what's going on. I'm not going to have my phone for a while. I think about 2 weeks. As you know, I am in Limon, Costa Rica, and we are being held against our will at a building. I think it's a justice building, and we were pretty much arrested for nothing. We were arrested because we resisted being arrested, but they're saying that the reason why is because we resisted authority. But I'm being arrested for no reason whatsoever. I have a passport. I'm legally to be here, but they want me to pay money to leave my family, and I'm not going to do that, so therefore I'm going to jail with my family. And they're saying that possibly the trial may take up to 2 weeks. I don't know, but I just wanted to let everyone know that I will not have my phone, so I will not be able to respond or anything. So I just wanted to let let everyone know it's unfair, but this is the way it is. You know, it's okay. You gotta keep moving forward, and you gotta stand in your truth no matter what anybody say. We're not going to allow anyone to break us or make us feel that what we're doing is wrong, because we're not living, we're living in harmony. They're the ones living against their own very nature, and that's why they are treating us the way that they are treating us. And I will stand for the truth, because there's only one truth, and if it means I have to go to jail for X amount of days because I know I'm not wrong, then therefore I will do that. You know what I'm saying? So live for what you believe in. You know, stand for the truth, or you'll stand for anything if you do not stand for the truth.